The reconstruction of Germany after World War II was one of the most complex and multifaceted tasks of the 20th century. Germany was destroyed physically as well as economically, politically and socially, and morally. The reconstruction took place against a backdrop of global political changes, such as the outbreak of the Cold War and the division of Germany into two parts. Let's look at the reconstruction economically and politically in more detail. Economic recovery, the destruction of the economy and the need for reconstruction. After Germany's surrender in May 1945, the country was in ruins. The industrial infrastructure, transportation network, homes and businesses were destroyed or badly damaged. Germany's economy had virtually ceased to exist. Millions of people lost their homes and the economy plunged into a state of deep crisis. Industrial base. In the first years after the war, many factories were not functioning, and equipment was either destroyed or taken to the Soviet Union as part of reparations. Labor shortages were also a problem, as many men were killed or held captive, and millions of Germans were forced to leave territories that had become part of other countries during the war, e.g., the territories of Poland and Czechoslovakia. Food shortages. Germany experienced severe shortages of food, fuel, and other vital supplies. Many people starved, leading to a huge amount of disease, malnutrition, and social instability. Economic reform and Allied aid. The initial recovery of the German economy depended on foreign aid as well as major reforms at home. Marshall Plan. One of the key factors in Germany's recovery from the war was the Marshall Plan, a U.S. aid program for countries in Europe. In 1948, Germany, as part of Western Europe, received significant financial aid to rebuild its economy. The Marshall Plan helped to rebuild industry, improve living standards, and stabilize the financial situation. Monetary reform of 1948. In 1948, a monetary reform was implemented in the Western Zone of Occupation, introducing a new currency, the German mark, DM. This played a key role in stabilizing the economy, as the previous currency, Reichsmark, had been inflated to catastrophic levels, and the new mark helped to reduce inflation and create conditions for economic growth. Industrialization. In the first post-war years, West Germany began to actively rebuild its industry. Conditions were created for the development of high-tech industries such as mechanical engineering, chemicals, automobile manufacturing, e.g. Volkswagen, and export-related industries. Creation of a social market economy. Under the leadership of Ludwig Erhard, the German Minister of Economics, the principle of a social market economy was adopted in 1949. It was a model combining elements of a market economy and social protection. The most important elements of the model were freedom of enterprise, competitiveness, and at the same time active state intervention in the social sphere. The role of labor and social stability. Labor played an important role for economic recovery. In Germany, it was important not only to rebuild industry, but also to provide labor. One of the tasks was to integrate the millions of refugees and displaced persons who had been forced to leave the eastern territories of Germany. Second, political recovery, division of Germany. After the war, Germany was divided into 4 occupation zones: American, British, French, and Soviet. Each of the allies, including the USSR, created its own administrative system in its zone. This division was the reason for the creation of 2 separate German states in 1949, Federal Republic of Germany, FRG. In West Germany, an Allied zone that included the American, British, and French zones. German Democratic Republic, GDR, a Soviet zone that became a socialist state, birth of the Federal Republic of Germany. With the creation of the Federal Republic of Germany in 1949, the formation of a democratic state in the west of Germany began. The main political processes focused on democratic reforms. In 1949, the Federal Republic of Germany's Basic Law was adopted, which defined the foundations of the constitution of the new democracy, including citizens' rights and freedoms, parliamentary system, federalism, and more. Stabilization of the political system. In the early years of the FRG, it was difficult to establish political stability because the country was divided and there were many political differences. However, gradually the democratic system was consolidated in the Western Territory, while the economy and government structure developed rapidly. Political situation in the GDR. The political situation in the GDR was quite different as the country was under Soviet control and a totalitarian socialist system was established. The Soviets actively interfered in the political processes, and the Socialist United Party of Germany, SED Party, was the only legal party. The main task in the GDR was to create a socialist state, which was accompanied by repression and restriction of civil rights. Cold War and international relations. The political division of Germany was part of the wider context of the Cold War. In the early 1950s, relations between the Eastern and Western blocs deteriorated, which also affected Germany. West Germany worked closely with Western allies such as the United States and Britain, while East Germany was under the tight control of the Soviet Union. West Germany and NATO. In 1955, the FRG joined NATO, which made the country an important ally of the West in the Cold War. East Germany and the Warsaw Pact. The GDR in turn became part of the Warsaw Pact, a military alliance of socialist countries led by the Soviet Union. Conclusion. Germany's recovery from World War II took place in an environment where the country was divided into two parts, and each part followed a different political and economic model. West Germany rebuilt its economy thanks to U.S. aid, successful reforms and stabilization of the political situation, while East Germany remained within a socialist system with a strong influence of the Soviet Union. The process of German reconstruction lasted for several decades and had enormous consequences for Germany itself and for Europe as a whole.